So, good afternoon, class. So, let's talk about, for today's lesson is about the level of roasting. So, first, we have a level of roasting. It is called light roast. So, what is the main characteristic of the light roast? First one, from the word itself, it has a light brown in color and not shiny. Second one is light body and no oil. So beans are quite dense, difficult to split, and not brittle. So let's go down from the flavor characteristics. So what is the flavor characteristic of light roast? First, it has a higher level of acidity than the darker roast. So toasted grain taste. And third one is delicate nuisance flavor and aroma. Likely to be sweet in flavor and retain most caffeine from it because it has light roast. So later, after talk about the level of roasting, I have a trivia. So common name of the light roast is Light City, Half City, and Cinnamon Roast last. And from its famous called New England Roast. So did you get it, class? So next one, let's talk about the medium roast. So the characteristic of beans of medium roast, it has a medium brown shade and more body than the light roast and no oil. Okay, class, so slightly more brittle and little smoother texture. So from flavor characteristic, so it has a milder level of acidity. So medyo meron siyang milder level of acidity. Second one is exhibiting more balanced flavor, aroma, and acidity. Then, higher level of bitterness than the light roast because it medium nga. So, lastly, caffeine is somewhat decreased. So, nabawasan siya. Then, from its common name, sometimes it called regular roast, American roast, city roast, and lastly, the breakfast roast. So, be familiar on the common name of each level of roast. So let's go down from medium dark roast. So what is the beans characteristic of medium dark roast? First, it have a richer, darker color with some oil, a little bit shiny, and has a heavy body comparison with the light or medium roast. Then from its flavor naman, noticeable flavor and aroma kasi nga medium dark roast na siya. Somewhat spicy from the taste and milder acidity than the medium roast. Lesser caffeine than the light or medium roast. So, mas nag-less yung kanyang caffeine. So, let's go down from the last level of roast, which is the dark roast. So, the dark roast, it has a dark shade brown to black. So, merong brown, meron ding black. So, with lower density and brittle. Smooth in texture, appear shiny because it is oily. Then from its flavor, level of acidity. So have a bitter and smoky or even burn taste. So high level of bitterness kasi nga dark roast na siya. So its common name naman, minsan tinatawag siyang French roast, Italian roast, espresso roast, and continental roast, New Orleans roast, and lastly, tinatawag rin siyang Spanish roast. So, I hope you learned something from the level of roasting. So, okay class, so let's go down from the last part of this topic, which is the type of grinds. First, let's talk about the extra coarse grind. Cold brewing like the Toddy Brewer, and coarse coffee grind most commonly used from French press or coffee. So, si French press ang katulong para ma-achieve ang extra coarse grind. So, dapat tandaan natin yun. So, next one is the coarse grind. French press pot, cupping, or medium coarse coffee grind use specialty devices like the Cafe Solo, and Chemex Brewer. So, yun yung mga equipment na maaring makatulong sa atin para ma-achieve ito yung gantong coarse grind. So, take a look from the presentation na yung pictures doon. So, I hope you be familiar from this appearance. Next one is the medium coarse grind. So, Coffee Solo Brewer, Chemex Brewer, Medium Coarse Coffee Grind, use the specialty devices from Coffee Solo and Chemex Brewer. So, be mindful from the equipment na sinasabi ni Sir. So, yun yung mga kadalasan ginagamit dun sa specific of grind na para ma-achieve yung grind na yun. So, fourth one is the fine grind. Sa espresso, kadalasan tong ginagamit. So, stovetop, espresso, or mocha pot yung ginagamit nating equipment para ma-achieve yung grind na to. So, lastly, let's talk about the extra fine grind. Turkish coffee or the ibrik, yun doon ginagamit madalas ang extra fine grind, which is from the Turkish coffee. Then extra fine coffee grind use a Turkish coffee. So kagaya yung sinabi ko, yun na nga yung doon na siya familiar para gamitin yung extra fine grind. So that's the types of grind from barista. Okay class, so this is the trivia or the fact that, di ba sinabi ko kanina na meron akong ibibigay sa inyong trivia. So, many people thinks that the darker coffee roast is the more caffeine. So, based on my research, it is not true. Because the darker of your coffee beans, or especially the dark roast, no? Kasi medyo maraming process na nangyari sa kanya. So, apply natin yung science, no? The more the darker, the more the process you gave from the coffee beans, it's lower than the caffeine content of the coffee beans. So, sa mga tinalakay natin, ang pinakamataas na caffeine content, which is the light roast. Kasi nga, hindi siya ganong sinunog or hindi siya ganong nag-undergo ng maraming process or it's high temperature. So, meron pang isa tayong trivia. So, tandaan natin yan ha. Next one is from the grind naman, from the lesson of grind. So, grind size affects the flavor. The fineness of the grind determine the strength of the coffee. So, the type of grind helps our coffee that make strength. O kung gano'n siya kapait, no? So, the more the grind is the finest, is the more the strength of the coffee. I hope you learned something. By the way, I'm Sir Wendell, so thank you for listening.